In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an e-commerce website with Webflow. We'll walk through connecting Webflow to Shopify using the Loop app so you can design in Webflow and power your store with Shopify on the back end. Start by opening your Webflow project in the Designer. Once you're in the canvas, look for the highlighted interface elements that guide you to the Apps area. Click the highlighted controls to open the Apps view, then click the highlighted search field. In that search box, type the app name you see highlighted on your screen. You're looking for the listing that reads, Design, Develop, and Deploy Shopify Headless Storefronts in Webflow. When it appears, click that result to open its details. On the app listing page, choose Open Full Listing so you can see everything in one place. Take a moment to click into the Description tab to understand what the app provides and how it bridges Webflow design with Shopify products, carts, and checkout. Then switch to the Permissions tab to review exactly what access the app will request. This is important for security and compliance. Make sure the scope matches what you expect for product sync and order workflows. When you're comfortable, click Install on-site to begin connecting the app to your Webflow project. Next, the flow will take you to the Loop website. In the site header, click Solutions to explore how the integration works for different store needs. When you're ready to proceed, click Get the App. This will redirect you to the Shopify App Store listing for Loop, Build with Webflow. Open that listing, review the overview and screenshots so you know what to expect inside Shopify, and then click Install. Confirm the installation by selecting Install Loop, Build with Webflow. Shopify will walk you through the standard authorization screens. If you don't already have a Shopify store, you'll be prompted to create one. Click Create a Shopify account to set up your store so the app can connect. If you see an additional prompt with the same action, click it again to continue. Shopify may ask for a few setup details. Follow the on-screen steps until your new store is ready and the app is authorized. Once installed and connected, you'll be able to manage products and checkout in Shopify while designing your storefront in Webflow. A quick tip: test your integration with a draft product and a preview page before going live, and review